Action!
Hi guys, welcome to Audrey channel. Today we're gonna be opening a Colorissa. Is it Colorissa, cameraman?
Colorissa.
Colorissa.
You found right?
Close up.
Yeah, close up for the package. Well, they got a Mousey art class.
Mousey.
Yeah. You know how to spell her name? Colorissa.
I can see it in the back.
Well, with two exclusive patkins.
I wanna open it.
No, I want to open it. Let me open it.
Mom.
Okay, it's now your turn. It's easy. How come it's so easy?
I don't want to tell you the secret.
It's a secret. Someone helped you beforehand?
No.
There must be somebody, I guess.
No.
I try to disturb you here.
You're not disturbing me. You're disturbing nobody right now, do you see? There's a book. Let's try to...
I can see you through the package, you see? It's funny.
I cannot see myself. I'm out!
No, I tried to cover you.
You did not cover me.
Okay.
This is a coloring book. The coloring book also has like little...
Wow, so small. The book is so small. Wow,
So thin! It's almost fell off the... Let's put our book in here. Oh, look at it. This book perfectly fits in here.
Good.
Look, Medusa, Mixkira, cameraman. You're not Medusa. You're not Mixkira. You're something else, right? I don't want to tell them because I don't want nobody laughing at my dad.
Nobody laughing at your dad. I won't laugh at your dad.
Look at
And you know how to spell Colorissa?
Colorissa. I forgot to take out the stand.
Oh, you have
Give me the stand. What is those stick bots?
I don't know. They are in Studio.
2.
Maybe Studio 10 now. I don't know.
Maybe they changed.
Anybody looking for me? I can come and help you.
Nothing.
I'm just a passerby. I just want to, hey, say hi. Hi.
Hi, stupid.
I'm not stupid. You want me to punch you?
You can't punch me. I'm very strong. Try to punch me.
I'm just a humble.
Punch me.
I'm just a humble stick boy.
Ah.
Ah! Oh, disappeared.
I just killed the sticker because he's bothering my video, like disturbing me, and he's distracting you with cuteness. She's holding.
Oh, she look good.
Yeah, she looks very pretty.
And her hairs look great as well.
She only has one ponytail. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook. Follow us on Instagram. Bye.